Hello kids, today we will be talking about the letter A. I'm going to give you different sound of the letter A. So the first sound we have here is A, which sound the same way as the letter A. The second sound of the letter A is A, while the third sound of the letter A is Ah. These two sounds alike, but this is a short ah and there is a long ah. So I'm also going to give you some word example for each of the sound. So we are going to start with the first sound, which is A. A. So some word example for the letter A. Number one, we have play. Play. Number two is grace. Grace. Number three, face. Face. Number four, day. Day. Number five, plate. Plate. Number six, David. David. So we have so many words that have the sound. So let's go over it again. Number one, play. Number two, grace. Number three, face. Number four, day. Number five, plate. Number six, David. We also have April, rain, today, and so on. Okay, we'll be going over to the second sound, which is ah. Ah. Now, some word example for the sound ah. Number one, clap. Number two, plastic. Number three, family. Number four, captain. Number five, sat. And number six, clarify. Okay, these are the word example for the sound ah. Now we are going over to the third sound, which is ah. Ah. So some word example for the sound ah. Number one, start. Number two, class. Number three, army. Number four, grass. Number five, fast. Number six, glass. Okay, these are each of the word example for each sound. Okay, we'll go over it again so we can pronounce them correctly. Okay, let's go over to the sound A. Number one, play. Number two, grace. Number three, face. Number four, day. Number five, plate. Number six, David. Now the second sound is up. Up. The word example, number one, clap. Number two, plastic. Number three, family. Number four, captain. Number five, sat. Number six, clarify. Now to the third sound, ah. Ah. The word example for the sound ah. Number one, start. Number two, class. Number three, army. Number four, grass. Number five, fast. And number six, glass. So you make sure you go over to the video and make sure you try to know each of the sound and articulate the words correctly. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.